Hi, my name is Richard Leiter. I own a store called Revived Furniture and Home Decor in Londonderry, New Hampshire. And we were contacted through Nollmeyer Construction, who's handling the reconstruction of the Crypt down here at the North Church in Boston. And we are doing the doors, and this is one of 15 doors that we are restoring. This particular door was probably the worst condition door of all the 15, and it shows some of the wear and the parts that had to be replaced on the outside, where a lot of the Crypt doors, the damage was done on the inside, and now that they're back in, you can't see them. But this particular one, if you take a look down at the bottom here, so here's some of the exterior repairs that we had to do. If you look real close, you can see some of the pieces that were rotted away. Here you can see a big one here, and then there's one that goes actually under the hinge, and this part right here, and then there's another one here. The parts had to be cut out and replaced, and we used period wood. We tore down a barn that was built in 1750, and it's the same period wood, so we used the same type wood. And then the hinges, these are original. Some of them we had to replace, but they're period hinges, strap hinges. Once we got them all done, we had to just wash them and very careful not to sand them. And then it was determined for preservation, because technology is advanced now. We put 2 coats of lacquer on them, and now they're going to be preserved for the next couple hundred years for people to enjoy for some time to come. We're very excited about it. It's been a wonderful project to be involved in.